Hi class, this is Lisa, your class librarian. I'm just here to show you how to do a quick search in our database called Vocational and Career Collection to find a possible source on your topic, okay? So I'm starting on Hack's Career Guide, and I'm on the Books and Articles section of that guide. To find the database called Vocational and Career Collection, I'm just going to scroll down a bit to where it says Articles Databases and scroll through until I get to Vocational and Career Collection, and then just go ahead and click on it to get in. Okay, now I am going to do a search on college internships. And I'm going to take a look at my filter choices here. So I am going to put a check mark in full text. That way all the articles that come up in my list will have immediate access to the entire article. I am also going to think about dates. Since your professor would like you to use the more current material, I suggest limiting your search to maybe the last 5 years or so. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mark past 5 years, and I do have a check mark in full text. My search terms are in the search box, and then I'm just going to go ahead and link to search. So it looks like I get 20 results using my terms from the last 5 years or so. When you scroll down and you look at your article titles, if you want a little bit more information about a title, you can get that by clicking on View Details, because that will often include what we call an abstract, which describes what is being covered in your article. If you would like to see the whole article, you would like to either click on Access Now, or sometimes you'll see Access Options um, in order to get the full text of the article. So that will go ahead and bring up the PDF full text. Okay, there we go. Now you also want to make a note of the tools on the top of the page. If you need help citing an MLA format, you could put your cursor up here at the top over what looks like little quotation marks. It will say Cite. I link to Cite. It's going to cite my article in the ABNT style. This class uses MLA, so you want to be very sure that you use this drop-down menu to switch it to MLA 9th edition. It will then generate an MLA citation that you could then copy to your clipboard and then paste into your paper. Other tools of interest at the top, a big one would be print, of course. This little marker for sharing, if I click on share, you can email an article to yourself, or you can share it to your Google Drive or your OneDrive if you use those drives, or you can create a link, which creates something called a permalink, which will always bring you back to this particular article just so long as you're logged into MyHack. So hopefully that starts you out in this database. If you have any questions, please be in touch with me using the class discussion board or using my email, ejwygar@hack.edu.